Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, November 14, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay ating itutuloy ang ating series about po sa the power of vision. Specifically, ang magiging topic po natin for today is about vision gives us a strong reason to live. Sa pamamagitan po ng vision, ito po ay binibigyan tayo ng rason, ng strong reason para tayo po ay magpatuloy sa ating mga buhay. So ngayon ang ating talata po ay manggagaling sa Psalm chapter 118 verse 17. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po, I will not die but live and will proclaim what the Lord has done. Sa Tagalog po, hindi ako mamamatay, kundi mabubuhay, at ang mga gawa ng Panginoon ay isasalaysay. Ngayon, ito po ay ating mas magbibigyan ng kahulugan sa pamamagitan po ng mga katuruan natin sa araw na ito. Una po, vision gives us the will to live. So, ang pagkakaroon po ng vision, it is something to work towards or to look forward to. Bigyan po niya tayo ng rason para gumising sa araw-araw. It is what makes life feel meaningful and motivating. So, isipin niyo po yung mga tao na merong vision. Kung mapapansin nyo, kapag meron pong vision ng isang tao, meron po silang goal, and whether it's their career, family, or impact na they want to make, because of vision, they can pull through challenges, and sa pamamagitan ng vision, we can see the bigger picture. So, napakahalaga po na magkaroon ng vision para magkaroon po tayo ng goal sa araw-araw at magkaroon po tayo ng motivation at gawing meaningful ang ating mga buhay. Ikalawa, vision helps us value health. So, when we have a purpose or goal, we naturally want to be healthy enough to pursue it. So, imagine nyo na lang na you have dreams of traveling the world or starting a business. So, in order for you to achieve that dream, syempre you need to have a good health to make it happen. So, with vision, it helps us see that our body and mind are our vehicles to reach those goals. So, it's like taking care of your car if you want it to go to that distance. Lastly po, is vision is not to honor the Lord. For many, vision is rooted in faith or a higher calling. So if you believe your vision is part of a bigger purpose, nagiging way siya to honor the Lord. So it's about using your gifts, using your time and life in a way na nagre-reflect siya on something greater than yourself. So living out your vision with integrity and purpose can be an act of devotion. So, paano po natin ma-apply itong mga katuruan na ito? Ngayon po tayo po idadako sa ating application. Una po, discover your whys. Simulan niyo po sa pagtatanong sa inyong mga sarili kung ano ba yung mga bagay na nagbibigay sa atin ng excitement. So, what's something I want to accomplish or experience? So, your whys are the reasons behind your actions and choices. So that's why i-discover mo kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. So maybe it's about family, making a difference, or leaving a legacy. Whether kung ano man yan, whatever it is, knowing your whys, it gives you a compass to guide your life. Also, invest in your health. So after mo malaman kung ano yung mga whys mo, it is easier to see why health matters. Small steps like pagkain ng tama, staying active, and pagkakaroon ng sapat na pahinga, it can fuel you to pursue your vision. So it's about building the energy and resilience to live a full life. And lastly po is to honor the Lord. So if faith is part of your life, think of your vision as part of your journey to fulfill what God has for you. So this means acting with love, integrity, and kindness. So, aligning your goals with values that reflect your beliefs It is about living out your purpose in a way that feels true to your faith. So, vision, napakahalaga po na magkaroon ng vision dahil sa pamamagitan po ng vision, we are able to have a purpose or kung paano or kung bakit tayo gumigising sa araw-araw. And with vision, matutulungan niya tayo na ma-value yung sarili natin, why health matters, and lastly is to honor the Lord.